Hi guys, this video is to help you with the discussion for Unit 3. So I would suggest that you grab a piece of paper right now and go through these notes with me, write them down, and then use that page of notes to do your discussion for Unit 3. When you do the discussion, make sure that you answer all the questions on the discussion and add as many details as you can. That's how you get the full points for the discussion. So this discussion talks about the zero product property. So you should have learned about the zero product property in Unit 3. So what the zero product property says is if A times B equals 0, then either A equals 0 or B equals 0. So if two things are being multiplied together and they equal 0, one of them has to be 0. There's no other way to get the answer of 0. So the way they're using it in this unit is we had some factored terms here. So for example, if x plus 3 times x minus 5 equals 0, then one of those things has to equal 0. Either the x plus 3 equals 0 or the x minus 5 equals 0. So what we did in this unit is we took both of those equations and we solved them. So x plus 3 equals 0. So I would subtract 3 from both sides, and I would have x equals negative 3. That's one possible answer. Then I would solve this one. I would add 5 to both sides, and I get x equals 5. So one of those two could be my answer, and that's how they were using it in this unit. And sometimes it makes sense for the answer to be positive, like if you're talking about length, like what is the length of this side of the rectangle? It would only make sense for a positive answer to work. So you would know it was this one. So that's how they used it in this unit. So on this discussion, they ask you, what is the zero product property? Tell me about it. So you want to write out as many details as you can here. We just talked about a few things. You can write the actual formula. You can give an example. Talk about what is that property? What does it mean? And number 2 is how is it used? So in this unit, we used it when you had these different terms being multiplied together to equal 0, and you solved both equations to figure out what the answer could be. So that is how you do the discussion for Unit 3.